In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a website on Weebly, a user-friendly platform that allows you to build beautiful websites without any coding knowledge. Whether you're starting a blog, a personal site, or an online store, Weebly's intuitive tools make it easy to bring your vision to life. Let's dive in. To begin, head over to Weebly's main dashboard by logging into your account. Once there, you'll find an overview of all your activities and settings. It's your central hub for everything related to your Weebly sites. If it's your first time, don't worry. Weebly's interface is straightforward and welcoming. Next, look for the My Site button on the dashboard and click on it. This option will display your existing sites, and if you're just starting out, this is where you can manage the process of creating new ones. This section serves as the heart of your site management, offering easy access to all your creations. Now, let's add a new site. You'll see an Add Site button prominently displayed. Click on it. This is where the adventure begins. It will direct you to a setup page asking you to select the purpose of your site. Since you're setting up an online store, choose I need a website with an online store. This option tailors the setup process towards e-commerce, providing tools for product listings and payment options. Once you've chosen the online store option, you're prompted to type in your store name. Take a moment to think about your brand and what you want it to convey. It's one of the first things visitors will notice, so pick something catchy and memorable. After entering your store name, click Continue. If you're not selling products just yet, no worries. Weebly accommodates various site needs. When asked if you're ready to sell, click on No, I'm not selling yet. And if you're uncertain about specifics, selecting I'm not sure yet allows you to proceed without pressure. For any other fields that might seem confusing or irrelevant, simply click Other to move forward. Then, hit Continue to progress through the setup. You might encounter a few optional settings or promotional offers. Feel free to click Skip if they don't align with your current goals. These options can always be revisited later. Once the primary setup is complete, it's time to edit your site. Go ahead and click Edit Site. This will take you to a new section where you'll find different design options tailored for online stores. Explore these layouts and select the one that best matches your aesthetic preference. After settling on a design, click Start Editing to open the site editor. Now, you're in control of every element on your site. If a pop-out window appears, simply click on the X in the corner to close it and get started with customizing your content. That's it. You've set up the foundation for your Weebly site. Take time to explore the editor's features, personalize your design, and develop your content. Before you know it, you'll have a stunning online presence that captures your unique style. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your new Weebly site.